Hello guys, ayan, may klase ako guys actually. So pero kasi guys, dumating early oh. Tadaan, call namin kaya ayan, si Bugoy. Solo. At dahil hindi pa tayo nakakain, kain na tayo. Kain muna tayo. Mayroon tayong Coca-Cola. Refreshing. Enjoy. Sarap. Kain tayo.
Hindi ako Coke kami.
Kapag swam ako earlier, ang taba na ano guys.
Alam eh.
What is that?
Alam ako eh. Hindi pa kaya
Later.
ako.
Happy?
Apo.
Kain tayo guys, ang taba na ano.
Ang taba.
Ay naku, ang dami rin langaw. Naamoy yung pagkain namin.
Snack time.
Wait, where's my what? Give me the one. Ha? Give me first. Tara.
Daddy, can you get me Coke?
Sarap.
Daddy. Daddy,
Public lang tayo guys.
can you get me Coke?
Diba? Nag-work well, having on a vacation. Tipid vacation.
Mommy,
What is that?
can you prepare another for me Coke?
What? Yeah. Later. This one, you can use this one. Kung anak guys, ang wala kayong soft drink. Ang taba na ano guys, oh. Meron din tayong talong. Kasi kailangan pa natin balatan. Tara guys, kain tayo. Let's eat talong. We're going to... Happy?
Yes, it's almost like I'm really swimming.
Nahulog, Han! Wait lang guys, vlog pa more. Balatan ng ating talong. Ang hangol og talong. Kakain na tayo guys.
Pwede ito ba?
What is that? What's that? Nag-snack na rin yung. Naku. Wow, ang taba ng ano. Are you having fun? No? Are you happy?
Yes, super happy.
Sarap ng kalong. Wow, so refreshing. It's so refreshing guys. Okay, bye guys.